Hello, I'm going to share a little video with you from Big Country Mopar's Heroes for a Cause. This was a beautiful truck. Obviously, if you're still watching, do me a favor and smash that like button. Bucking? Yeah, smash the like button. I shot about 27 minutes of video, but they always play background music, which if you do much YouTube at all, you know you can't share that copyrighted stuff, so I like this truck. Matter of fact, this was pretty much what I wanted when I built my little Dodge pickup. This Packard really got my attention. Nice little car. I wish I'd have shot more in the engine bay. Hope you stick around until we get to the motorcycles after a bit at least. There was a motorcycle here that got a special prize. It was very fitting for a 9/11 show, a car show, a motorcycle. But anyway, yeah, hope you'll stick around for that. And I hope my video does it justice. A lot of special images on the wrap on that motorcycle. Very nice. I've seen this car several times. I really like this car. Very clean. There's a lot of nice looking cars here at this show today. This Demon that you're fixing to see really caught my eye. I don't think I've ever seen that Demon. I have seen this Chevy before. It's a very nice car, but I hadn't seen that Demon before. Wish I'd have went back through later and shot some video when the sun came out. Another nice truck. Not a Ford guy, but I like this truck. And I hope this pinstriping shows up, this hand painted. Hard to see in the video here on what I'm looking at right here, but pretty neat looking truck. This little Firebird's seen several times. It's always looking good. It's a very nice car. Anyway, like I say, that Firebird's always on point. I like the way the Corvette engine looks in this car. The color schemes, everything looks good on this car. I really like it. The wagon over there, I'm not sure I've ever seen it. Pretty neat little rat rod. I'm not sure what they did under the hood of that Mustang there. Don't tell me what you think. You get a glimpse of that motorcycle right back there that I was talking about earlier. I'll get some better pictures of that here in a minute. Now, I said earlier I'm not a Ford guy, but this Thunderbird coming up, I do like a little bit of everything. This Thunderbird is really sharp, I think. You'll let me know what you think. Isn't that clean? The morning was pretty dreary and chilly for most people. There were people that were leaving because it was cold in the morning, and then later in the afternoon the sun came out and people were leaving because it was too hot. The sign there said, "Look up." So I did. We looked at the headliner in that little car. Nicely done. Like I said, there's a lot of nice cars here today. And Cobra. Now the next vehicle, this won the top award. They called it the Shock and Awe Award. And that's definitely I would say a shock and awe truck. What do y'all think? Diamond Rio. And check out the Ghost Flame here. We picked the top 30 cars, and it wouldn't have been hard to find 30 cars that you really liked here. Not a huge show, but some very nice cars. Sorry if I'm making too much noise, smacking, picking at my teeth. Hope that's not picking that up. Just sitting down after dinner, trying to mark this out. Look at this pickup. I think I seen this pickup in Stanford last year. I know it was this pickup. This pickup is clean and on point, of course. It's very pretty. Keeps it pretty nice. Big old convertible boat Cadillac. People claim Dodges are big old boats. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Think that's any fun to drive? I'm sure it is. It's a nice car. If I had a VW, I would want to do a Herbie mock-up. I don't see how any VW owner could resist a bug painted up like Herbie. And here we go. We're going to look at this other motorcycle just a little bit more, but Heroes for a Cause car show. I think now it's caught my eye. Now I'm zooming in. I'm checking this out. Like I said, this motorcycle won a top prize. I forget what the name of the award was. There's a lot of detail in the wrap here. I assume this is not paint. I assume it's a wrap. I could be wrong. I can't wait to see that on the TV on the big screen, see how this actually came out. I think both of these cars are in the Zero Royalty Club. This one's been shown a lot of love. See if I get a good enough shot here and check out the steering wheel. The rods were out today. A lot of nice rods. I'll get a little bit more of the backside of this car right toward the end of the video here. This is a nice looking car. I don't know what caught my attention here, what I was looking at. Wish I could think of any of my dad's old Jeep stories. He would have filled your ear full of stories about old Jeeps like this. Another rod. This car would have looked better if I'd have taken video of it in the daylight. It's got some accents in the paint that are pretty neat. Alfa Romeo. And we're going to come around and see my little pickup. I need to do a lot more work to make this little pickup look nice, but I didn't really build it for car shows. But I'm getting there. These next, well, there's two Dakotas, got a Challenger in the middle, but Pro-charged. This is the Big Country Mopar Club President's Dakota. Shaker B Scat Cat, Scat Pack. Be one of two. I almost would have ended the video there, and then I get around this other truck. I think there's another nice little car here. I can't remember what it is. Oh yeah, now I remember what it is. An RT. I always say about this car, this is a nice piece of metal. And a little SRT4. Not stock. Get your finger out of the way. Let's see the car. Anyway, we're about done here. Thanks for watching. Let's see here. A couple more minutes. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to hit the like. Thank you.